Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Interogation Raw is probably one of the most sought-after products in its category, and for good reason. It's designed to offer unparalleled performance and durability, making it a top choice for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Whether you're looking to upgrade your current setup or invest in a reliable tool that will stand the test of time, this product promises to deliver exceptional results. Number 5. Raw Classic King Size Cones. Introducing the Raw Classic King Size Cones. Experience a smooth and slow burn with every use. Crafted from high-quality paper, these cones ensure a clean and enjoyable smoking experience. The king size format offers ample space for your preferred blend, making preparation effortless. Each pack comes complete with tips and packing tubes, providing everything you need for a perfect roll. Get great value with 50 pre-rolled cones in every pack. They are ready to be filled and enjoyed right away. Designed for a slow and even burn, these cones allow you to savor your smoke without rushing. What we like. These are the classic king-size cones, perfect for a longer, more relaxed session. If you enjoy a fuller experience and want to savor your smoke, these are the ones for you. They offer a smooth, slow burn for maximum enjoyment. What people say. Raw Cones Classic King Size have consistently been my go-to choice for rolling, and they never fail to meet my expectations. These pre-rolled cones have earned their reputation for a reason, and I'm always impressed by their quality. One of the standout features of Raw Cones Classic King Size is their reliability. Each cone is meticulously crafted to be as described, ensuring a consistent and enjoyable smoking experience every time. What sets Raw Cones apart is their commitment to using unbleached and natural materials. As a conscientious consumer, I appreciate that these cones are free from harmful chemicals, ensuring a clean and pure smoking experience. Number 4. Raw Cones Classic 1:1/4 Size. Introducing the Classic 1:1/4 size cones from Raw. These are designed for a slow, even burn, ensuring a premium experience every time. Each pack contains 50 pre-rolled cones, providing you with an ample supply. You'll always be ready when inspiration strikes. Crafted from high-quality paper, these cones offer a smooth and clean burn. Enjoy the pure taste without any compromise. We've included tips and packing tubes to make your rolling process effortless. Get the perfect pack every time with these convenient accessories. Experience a slower burn that allows you to savor the moment. These cones are engineered for maximum enjoyment and satisfaction. Trust in the renowned quality of Raw for your rolling needs. These classic cones are a testament to our commitment to excellence. What we like. This 1:1/4 size is the standard for a reason, offering a balanced smoke. If you prefer a more traditional size that's easy to handle and perfect for everyday use, this is your go-to. It provides a consistent and satisfying experience. What people say. None of the cones have been bent or damaged during shipping, which can sometimes be an issue with pre-rolled cones. They're very convenient to use since they're already rolled and include tips and packing tubes, so it saves time and makes everything easy to prepare. These cones are consistently well made and burn evenly from start to finish. The paper is thin but durable, so it doesn't tear easily while packing. Number 3. Garden of Life Raw Organic Chocolate Meal Replacement Shake. Discover the power of plant-based nutrition with our Raw Organic Meal Replacement. It's a delicious way to get the essential nutrients your body needs. Indulge in the rich, satisfying taste of chocolate. Crafted with organic plant-based pea protein, sprouts, and greens for a truly wholesome experience. We've added probiotics to support your digestive health. Feel good from the inside out with every serving. Enjoy a complete meal replacement without the dairy. It's perfect for those seeking a clean, plant-based option. Each container provides 28 servings, making it easy to maintain your healthy lifestyle. Simply mix and enjoy your nutritious shake. Choose a meal replacement that aligns with your wellness goals. It's packed with goodness and free from artificial ingredients. What we like. Looking for a convenient and nutritious meal on the go? This organic chocolate protein powder is packed with plant-based goodness, greens, and probiotics. If you need a quick, healthy meal replacement or a post-workout recovery shake, this is an excellent choice for sustained energy. What people say. Another reason I love this stuff, my hair has almost quit falling out by adding this to my diet. I have gastroparesis and am having issues with absorbing nutrients from my food. This seems to have done the trick. My skin looks 100% better too. I was very washed out looking and now I am back to looking like I used to. The taste reminds me of chocolate cereals. Like Cocoa Krispies or chocolate checks, but less sweet. The shake leaves me full for 3.5 to 4 hours, and I usually feel more alert after my first few sips. Parfait au niveau diététique, hyperprotein, bio, sans gluten, sans produit laitier. Bref, produit sur et que donne de l'énergie. Number 2. Raw Cones Classic 1:1/4 size. Introducing Raw Cones Classic, the perfect pre-rolled cones for your smoking needs. Enjoy a slow and even burn every time. This pack comes with 150 cones, ensuring you have plenty for all your sessions. No more rolling, just fill and enjoy. The 1:1/4 size is designed for your convenience and satisfaction. It's the ideal size for a smooth and enjoyable experience. Experience a slow and satisfying burn with these premium quality cones. They are crafted for a superior smoking experience. Each pack includes tips and packing tubes for your ease. Everything you need is right here for a perfect pack. Elevate your smoking ritual with Raw Cones Classic. Get yours today and discover the difference quality makes. What we like. Stock up and save with this massive 150 pack of 1:1/4 size cones. If you're a frequent user or want to ensure you never run out, this bulk option is incredibly cost-effective. It offers the same great quality for a much better price per cone. What people say. The cones are so easy to use. You must try. Much cheaper to buy large packs of these like this than to get the smaller packs the stores often sell. I love these for when I need to roll a lot at once. These also work great for the Raw Cone Loader Filler device. Use these with a 6-shooter same company and you're set for a few days. Number 1. Cymbiotika Pure Himalayan Shilajit Resin. Discover the potent energy of the Himalayas with this authentic Shilajit resin. It's a powerful source of essential minerals for your well-being. Packed with over 84 trace minerals, including elemental gold, this supplement supports your body's natural functions. Experience a holistic approach to health. Feel revitalized and sharpen your mental clarity. This potent formula is designed to enhance your energy levels and improve focus throughout the day. Strengthen your immune system and promote healthy digestion. Its unique composition aids in nutrient absorption and overall gut health. Experience the purity of high-potency Shilajit, rich in fulvic acid. This natural resin is your key to unlocking peak performance and vitality. Sourced directly from the pristine Himalayan mountains, this is genuine Shilajit resin. Trust in its ancient wisdom and powerful benefits for a healthier you. What we like. Experience the power of ancient wellness with this pure Himalayan Shilajit resin. If you're seeking a natural boost in energy, enhanced focus, and immune support, this potent supplement is for you. It's packed with essential trace minerals and fulvic acid for holistic well-being. What people say. Gives me energy and clarity. Replenish my body with minerals. Heals the liver. I felt more awake and alert and not so groggy after taking it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.